In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a chat model to automate your WordPress blog, step by step, using a powerful AI plugin and an OpenAI API key. This setup allows you to add an intelligent chatbot to your site that can answer questions, generate content, and automate interactions with your visitors. It's perfect for bloggers, business owners, and anyone who wants to save time while making their WordPress site smarter. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress and AI automation tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin area and go to your dashboard. This is the main control center for your WordPress website, and from here, we'll be installing the plugin that makes all of this possible. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the plugin search bar, type AI Engine. This is the plugin we'll be using to connect your WordPress site to a chat model. When you see AI Engine in the results, click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activating the plugin, the next step is to get your OpenAI API key, which is required for the chat model to work. Open a new browser tab and go to platform.openai.com. If you already have an account, log in. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and find the section for API keys. Create a new secret key and copy it somewhere safe. This key is important, so don't share it publicly. Now that you have your API key, go back to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, find AI Engine and click on Settings. In the Settings page, you'll see a field where you can paste your OpenAI API key. Paste the key here, double-check that it's correct, and then save your settings. This step connects your WordPress site directly to the chat model. Once the API key is saved successfully, move on to setting up the chatbot itself. Still under AI Engine, click on Chatbots. From here, click Add New to create a new chatbot for your site. This is where you customize how the chat model behaves. You can give your chatbot a name, choose how it responds, and most importantly, add context. In the context field, explain what your blog is about and what you want the chatbot to help with. For example, you can tell it that it has learned how to add a chat model to automate your WordPress blog, and that it should assist visitors with questions related to your content. The more clear and specific your context is, the better the chatbot's responses will be. After configuring the chatbot settings, save your changes. At this point, your chat model is fully set up and connected to your WordPress blog. You can now embed it on your site, test it by asking questions, and start using it to automate interactions, answer FAQs, or even help with content ideas. This can significantly reduce your workload while improving the user experience on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a chat model to automate your WordPress blog using AI Engine and OpenAI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from AI automation on WordPress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.